Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Canvas Commons. First you're going to access Commons from the global navigation bar, and that will take you here. The Canvas Commons is a library of resources where educators can go and search for different types of content to use in their own courses. So I'm going to show you how you can find, sort, filter, preview, and import these resources into your Canvas courses. So first you can start by searching for your content here. So for this search, this returned 245 results. So that's quite a few. So what you can do is you can use these tools here to narrow your search down. So in this drop-down box here, you can choose to search by the most relevant, latest, the most favorited, or the most downloaded. And then here you can actually filter. So I'm going to go ahead and click the filter button. And depending on what you're looking for, you can view just these types of content. If you want to just look for templates, you would check that here. You can search by just grade level here. And then down below, you could just choose to search within your district, or you can choose to search Virginia Public Schools or Virtual Virginia VDOE, and filtering is going to narrow your results down. So once I do that, I'm going to X out here, and that took me down to 168. So I can just continue filtering. All right, so looking at the results here, the cards will show you a couple of things here. It'll show you what type of resource it is. This is a whole course. This is just an assignment. This is an entire module. The course cards also give you the title, the grade levels, and it also tells you who the author is. And at the bottom of the card, it shows you how many downloads this particular resource has gotten and how many people have favorited it. So to get more information on this resource, you'll want to just click one of the cards and open it up. Right, and here is where you can preview the content before importing it into your course. And so you can use these links here to go through and look at the different modules, look at the assignments, pages, and the files, everything that's included within this course. Now, if this is something that you think you might like, but you don't really want to import this now, you can mark this as a favorite by clicking here. And that way, the next time you come back to Commons, you can come up here and click Favorites, and you'll see that course that you saved. Okay, when you're ready to import something into your course, what you'll do is you'll click the Import Download button here, and then you'll choose which course to import this into. Now, a best practice that we're going to recommend is that you import this into your sandbox. And that way, importing it into your sandbox will give you time to preview the content, and then it will allow you to pick and choose specific content to move into your live course. So I'm going to go ahead and click my sandbox here, scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to import into course. You're going to get this message here letting you know that the import has started. Once the import is complete, you can return to your sandbox, and you'll be able to move through your course and see the unpublished pieces. These are the pieces that were imported from Commons. So you can look here in your modules. You'll see where pieces were imported. You can also go to the assignments page to see the items there, or you can just go to pages and all pages, and you'll be able to see what you imported from Commons.